Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you 18 kitchen gadgets you can buy on Amazon. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Number 1. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Introducing the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener in vibrant red. Say goodbye to manual can opening struggles. With just a push of a button, experience effortless, hands-free operation. This automatic opener glides smoothly, leaving your can edges safe and clean. Powered by batteries, it's convenient and food safe. Yes, you can simplify your kitchen tasks. Upgrade your cooking experience with this reliable companion. Get yours now and make can opening a breeze. Number 2. Under Sink Organizer. Maximize your storage space with our Under Sink Organizer. This 2-tier pull-out cabinet shelf is a game-changer for cluttered kitchens and bathrooms. Easily access items with its smooth sliding mechanism, bringing convenience right to your fingertips. Crafted for durability, it transforms wasted space into organized bliss. Perfect for kitchen essentials or bathroom supplies, this organizer simplifies your life. Say goodbye to mess and hello to streamlined storage. Upgrade your cabinets today and enjoy a clutter-free home. Number 3. Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Elevate your dining experience with our Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, the perfect gift for those who have it all. Designed for culinary enthusiasts, these sleek grinders effortlessly add flavor to your dishes. Ideal for grilling enthusiasts and seasoned cooks, this set is also a hit at white elephant parties. With battery-operated convenience, these automatic shakers are a kitchen essential. Make every meal memorable and every occasion special. Surprise your loved ones with this stylish and practical gift for housewarmings, holidays, or any occasion. Spice up your life today. Number 4. Premium Garlic Press with Soft Easy. Experience effortless garlic preparation with our Premium Garlic Press by Zuli Kitchen. Engineered with a soft easy squeeze ergonomic handle, this sturdy design extracts more garlic paste per clove, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Not just for garlic, this versatile crusher is perfect for nuts and seeds too, making it a professional garlic mincer and ginger press in one. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Zuli Premium Garlic Press, your go-to kitchen tool for adding flavor to every dish. Number 5. Kelamayi Broom and Dustpan Set for Home. Meet your cleaning ally, the Kelamayi Broom and Dustpan Set in sleek black and gray. Perfect for home, office, and both indoor and outdoor sweeping tasks. This set is designed for efficiency, allowing you to sweep up dirt and debris effortlessly. The stand-up feature ensures convenient storage, saving space in your home. With durable construction and ergonomic design, cleaning has never been this easy and hassle-free. Elevate your cleaning routine with the Kelamayi Broom and Dustpan Set, the ultimate cleaning companion for any space. Number 6. Knife Set. Imarku 16 PCS High Carbon. Upgrade your kitchen with the Imarku 16 PCS Knife Set. Crafted from high-carbon Japanese stainless steel, these knives ensure exceptional sharpness and durability. The set includes essential knives for every culinary task, all conveniently stored in a stylish block. The ultra-sharp blades and ergonomic handles provide precision and comfort. Plus, it comes with a sharpener to maintain the blade's edge. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Elevate your cooking experience with this professional-grade knife set, a perfect blend of functionality and style for any kitchen. Number 7. HOOJO Refrigerator Organizer Bins. Organize your fridge and kitchen space effortlessly with HOOJO Refrigerator Organizer Bins. This set of 8 clear plastic bins is designed for fridge, freezer, kitchen cabinet, and pantry organization. Each bin is 12.5 inch long, providing ample space for various items. Made from BPA-free material, these bins are safe for food storage. The transparent design allows easy visibility of contents. Declutter your space, keep items neatly arranged, and make your daily cooking routine a breeze. Upgrade your kitchen organization with these versatile, durable, and clear fridge organizers from HOOJO. Number 8. Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide. Elevate your culinary skills with the Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide Precision Cooking Machine in stylish onyx black. This powerful immersion circulator boasts 1,100 watts of precise cooking prowess, ensuring restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your home kitchen. Its ultra-quiet operation, thanks to the brushless motor, creates a peaceful cooking environment while you perfect your dishes. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or a professional chef, this sous vide machine guarantees consistent and delicious results every time. Upgrade your cooking experience and savor the art of precision with Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide. Number 9. Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. Experience the ultimate convenience in your kitchen with the Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set in sleek black. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel metal, these spoons are not only durable but also feature strong N45 magnets for easy and secure storage. The set of 8 spoons includes a leveler, ensuring precise measurements every time. Designed to fit into most kitchen spice jars, these BPA-free spoons are perfect for baking and cooking. Simplify your culinary adventures and elevate your kitchen organization with this stylish and functional measuring spoon set from Spring Chef. Number 10. Digital Meat Thermometer. Waterproof. Enhance your cooking precision with our Digital Meat Thermometer. This waterproof instant read thermometer is a kitchen essential for grilling, cooking, baking, and more. Its fast and accurate readings make it ideal for meats, candies, liquids, and barbecue grills. The built-in backlight ensures easy reading even in low light conditions, while the calibration feature guarantees accuracy. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this thermometer is your reliable companion for achieving perfectly cooked meals every time. Elevate your culinary skills and make your kitchen adventures effortless with this essential kitchen gadget. Number 11. Kitchen Shears. iBayam Kitchen Scissors. Upgrade your kitchen toolkit with the iBayam Kitchen Shears. This versatile 2-pack includes all-purpose heavy-duty meat and poultry scissors designed for various culinary tasks. Crafted from stainless steel, these kitchen shears are durable and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, ensuring precise and effortless cutting. Whether you're trimming meat, cutting poultry, or handling kitchen tasks, these scissors are your go-to choice. With stylish black-red and black-gray options, these scissors add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Simplify your cooking experience with the iBayam Kitchen Shears, your trusted kitchen companion. Number 12. Food Weight Scale with Bowl. Master the art of food preparation with our Food Weight Scale with Bowl. This digital kitchen scale, designed in St. Louis, offers super accurate measurements thanks to its single sensor technology. The custom-built bowl fits perfectly on top, providing a convenient and mess-free weighing experience. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this scale ensures precise measurements for all your culinary creations. Its sleek design and reliable performance make it a must-have kitchen gadget. Elevate your cooking game and achieve perfection in every recipe with our accurate and user-friendly food weight scale with bowl. Number 13. Upgrade Meat Chopper. Experience the ultimate upgrade in your kitchen with our heat-resistant meat chopper. Crafted from durable nylon, this meat masher is specifically designed for effortlessly chopping and smoothing hamburger meat and ground beef. Its heat-resistant properties make it ideal for use while cooking, ensuring both safety and efficiency. The non-stick mix chopper not only prevents sticking but also doubles as a versatile potato masher tool. With its ergonomic design, this ground meat chopper allows you to mix and chop with ease, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience with this essential utensil, and elevate your culinary creations to a new level. Number 14. Powerful Immersion Blender. Introducing our powerful Immersion Blender, your versatile kitchen companion for effortless cooking. With a robust 500-watt motor and a turbo mode, this electric hand blender effortlessly tackles soups, smoothies, purees, and baby food. The detachable base ensures easy cleaning, while the 304 stainless steel blades guarantee durability and efficient blending. Its ergonomic design provides comfortable grip and control, making it a must-have handheld gadget in your kitchen. Simplify your culinary adventures and create delicious recipes with this high-performance immersion blender. Upgrade your cooking experience today. Number 15. 5-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. Unleash your baking creativity with our 5-Speed Electric Hand Mixer and Large Mixing Bowls set. This dynamic duo includes a powerful hand mixer with 5 speeds and versatile attachments, whisks and beaters, ensuring effortless mixing for all your recipes. Accompanied by a set of stainless steel metal nesting mixing bowls, measuring cups, and spoons, this comprehensive baking kit provides ultimate convenience. From prep to baking, these durable and easy-to-clean tools elevate your kitchen experience. Create delectable cakes, cookies, and more with precision and ease. Upgrade your baking supplies and let your culinary creation shine. Number 16. Oil Sprayer for Cooking. Enhance your cooking experience with our Oil Sprayer for Cooking, a versatile kitchen gadget that adds flavor and reduces calories. This 200 ml glass olive oil sprayer mister is perfect for air fryers, salads, baking, frying, and BBQs. With its easy-to-use pump and spray mechanism, it evenly coats your food with your favorite oils, dressings, or vinegars. Say goodbye to excess oil and messy pouring. This oil spray bottle is a game-changer for health-conscious cooks, ensuring precise and controlled oil application. Elevate your culinary creations and make every dish a masterpiece with our Oil Sprayer for Cooking. Number 17. Kitchen Drawstring Trash Bags. Keep your kitchen clean and fresh with Glad Force Flex Tall Kitchen Drawstring Trash Bags. This pack of 80, 13-gallon trash bags features the delightful scent of Gain Lavender with Febreze freshness. The innovative Force Flex technology provides extra strength and stretch, preventing rips and tears even when dealing with heavy loads. The convenient drawstring closure ensures easy tying and carrying. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and leaks. These trash bags are designed to handle all your household waste, keeping your space clean and fragrant. Stock up on Glad Force Flex trash bags for hassle-free disposal and a refreshing lavender scent in your kitchen. Number 18. Kitchen Timer. Stay on top of your tasks with our versatile 2-pack digital timers. Perfect for the kitchen, classroom, or any activity, these timers are a must-have. Set them as kitchen timers for cooking or baking, use them for kids' activities, exercise routines, or classroom activities. The cute and compact design makes them ideal for your desk, teacher use, or even toothbrushing reminders. With magnetic backs, these timers easily stick to any metal surface, providing convenience and flexibility. Stay organized, improve productivity, and manage your time effectively with these handy digital timers. Upgrade your routine and get things done efficiently. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the products showcased in this video helpful and interesting. All product purchase links in the description and comment box.